There is this strategy that I've been implementing on my page, and if you use it, you will have massive followers. Those followers is not even followers that will not be engaging on your post. These followers will be engaging on your post. So guys, don't joke with this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I do my own, how I get these followers, and once they follow me, they will always engage on my post. One thing is to get followers, another thing is for them to engage on your post. So it's very important that you have followers that be engaging on your post. Without wasting much time, join me on the screen. Let me show you what I do on my page to get massive followers. Organic one at that. Let's go, guys. So guys, come to your Facebook page. Once you come to your Facebook page, you look upright, you will see settings, you tap it. You will see professional dashboard, you tap it. Don't mind this my professional dashboard that is showing red though. You know, sometimes night will show red. So you will see here weekly challenge, see all, invite people who reacted, you tap it. Have you seen it has three posts? These three posts now, people reacted but they are not following me. All you need to do is just to tap the first one. Have you seen it? I've tapped the first one, I've invited them. 47 people reacted on the first one. So after inviting the first one, I invite the second one. Have you seen it? I've invited them. Then after it, I will also invite the third post. I've invited it, and they will all get notified. Once they get notified that so person invite them to like his or her page, that I invited them to like my page, they will definitely follow me. Because some people, they will watch but they will forget to follow. So once you invite them to come and follow you, they will follow you, and these people are organic followers. All right, so make sure that you always come to your professional dashboard here to check if Facebook bring out these people that reacted on your page. Then you invite them instead of going to your post one by one to invite people that reacted to your post. You just come here and invite all of them, and they will definitely follow you. Organic ones are that is why I love this thing. It's very organic. So if you have been looking for ways to get followers, this is very organic way for you to get organic followers. All right, in less than 24 hours using this method, you will get up to 1,000 followers. I am telling you the truth, guys. I am telling you the truth. Especially if you are making content that people love so well, they will definitely be following you. All right, so make sure that you always come here to check it, and once you see it, invite them. They will follow you. And make sure that you put out nice content that people will like to watch and return back. Not when someone followed you, the person will not be seeing content on your page, so it's not good. All right, so that's how I got followers every day. So guys, have you seen it? Always implement this on your Facebook page. You will see how you'll be getting followers on your page. Okay, it is tested and trusted. I've been doing this for some months on my page now, and it's helping my page to grow. So I hope if you implement it, it will also help you. So guys, that's all for now. Bye. See you all in my next video. Wait. Bye. Why would you go now without subscribing? Subscribe to my channel now. Subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your notifications so that once I upload video, you'll be notified. I love you all. Bye. See you on my next video.